In this video, I want to show you how to download and install latest version of ModelMuse and integrate Modflow into it. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for download latest version of ModelMuse. So search for it and hit enter key. When it opens, come to this second link. Click to open the page. When it opens, here is ModelMuse site. So come here, you can read the overview of ModelMuse. You can read about it here. So now to download, come to this section and click on installer to download the installer. So when you click on it, the download will start automatically. You can see the download is ongoing. Now open another tab and we want to download Modflow. So just search for Modflow download and hit the enter key. So when it opens this page, come to this second link, Modflow 6. Click to open the page. When it opens, here you can see Modflow 6 and you can read about it here. But to download, scroll down to the section called download. Scroll down and you can see download current session of Modflow. To download it, click on this Modflow 6 repository. When you click on it, it will open the download page. And here, you need to scroll down to the section called assets. And here you can download for Linux, you can download for Mac, but in this video, I want to download for Windows. So I'll come to this link, Windows. So here is the link to download it and you can see the size. I will click on this link to start the download. Yes, the download has started. You can see the download is ongoing. So after downloading, it's time to install it. Let me show you how to install it. After downloading, I put the two files in this very folder called ModelMuse. So let's start the installation. To start, we are going to install the ModelMuse setup. So double click it. Click on Run. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. And if you want to create a desktop shortcut, check it and click Next. Finally, click on Install. So the installation has started. Yes, the installation is done. Click on Finish. It will open this page. Now come to this installation folder. Come to the second file, which is Modflow 6.6. So right click and extract it. Click on Extract File. Click on OK. Yes, it has been extracted. Now bring back the ModelMuse. Then click on Next. Click on Next and click on Finish. So it will open the ModelMuse. So let's maximize it. Now to integrate the Modflow into ModelMuse, come to Model. Click on Model. Come to Modflow program location. Click on it. When it's open, you can locate your Modflow in the folder where you put it. To do that, click on this browse file. So I put my in my PC in the local disk and I put it here under software, and here is the folder. I'll double click it, click it again, come to bin and here select this second file and click on Open. Then click on OK. Yes, So you can see this is how to download and install ModelMuse and integrate Modflow into it. In the subsequent video, we'll be looking at how to use this ModelMuse. Thank you for watching.